this is Mark from Phace Installations. We've got this beautiful Porsche Boxster S in. This is the 2015 model, the 981. If you've got a Porsche and you've got factory stereo, hopefully yours is working, but this one isn't. So this has got the PCM3.1 stereo screen in it, which you can see there. And this is non-amplified, so this has not got Bose or Burmester audio system. You'll know that because it'll be written on the door grills, speaker grills. It looks like it's got a few other faults as well, but it's coming to us with an inoperative stereo. So we're going to take that stereo screen out, upgrade it for a new Pioneer touchscreen DAB, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatible stereo system, and get him listening to some music again. It's been into Porsche for diagnostics. Porsche won about $3,000 for a new stereo. Hello, welcome back. All done. Old stereo out, new one in. Let's show you what we've done. So on the rear of the vehicle, it had a factory fitted reverse camera. We've kept that and integrated it into our new stereo screen, so no functions lost there. And if we get into the vehicle, so there is the new Pioneer touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB, FM, Bluetooth. Absolutely fantastic stereo, this one. Obviously still got the other faults that the car came in with, but now it's got at least a decent sound system. We've linked it to that reverse camera, as I said before, and we've also connected it to the steering wheel controls. As you can see here, you can change the volume up and down, etc., all from there. And it's now got extra functions, so it's got Apple CarPlay. So you've got all the latest mapping, using Apple Maps, Google Maps, make all your phone calls, does Waze. It's just absolutely brilliant. It looks like it's meant to be. Absolutely stunning. Now in the glove box on these, you've got factory USB socket. We've retained that USB socket and connected it to our new stereo. So again, no functions lost. Plug your phone in and away you go. Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as I said. Very easy to use. Touchscreen on the Pioneers are so much better than the factory stereo systems from Porsche. So swiping left and right is a lot easier, touching the screen, etc. And putting it in reverse, as I said, you still get to keep the reverse camera, so no functions lost. And when you turn the steering wheel, you still get movable guidelines, as you can see there. And Porsche wanted, as I said, about $3,000. I think that was before labour charges. And knowing what they charge by the hour, probably would end up being $4,000. And we've managed to do it for a fraction of that and keep all his cameras and steering wheel controls. Yep, absolutely lovely. Stick it in drive and off it will go. Come out of reverse and back into Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Plus you've obviously got your DAB radio now, and FM radio, Bluetooth, etc., all in the Pioneer stereo. Put all your favourite tracks down the left hand side, 1 to 6. Stunning cars, and you'll obviously want to listen to the engine, but every now and again you might not, and you want to listen to the music. This is now going to give him all his favourite stations and a bit of music. If you want to get your vehicle booked in, give us a call, 01626 242 555. Visit our website, faceinstallations.co.uk. I hope you like what we do. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. It really does help us, small company. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.